Hello friends, welcome to Sai Techno channel, and today we'll see the HTML program. Under HTML program, how to use image, how to insert image in HTML code. So first we'll start Notepad and write the program. First open Notepad and start writing HTML. Sorry, start tag of HTML. Okay. So who did not watch video how to first create video, you can be see how to create, how to put headings, or in description already given link, you can watch. Okay, in title I'll write first head. Okay, in head we will keep here as a title. You want to keep title for this. Okay, insert image. Okay, we are working on that one, insert image. So again I will close here title. Okay, then comes here body. You start body. Okay, just I'll start body. Start body, and under body we want to be insert as picture. How to use? So this tag you have to be remember. Okay, img image, img short form, give space src image source, then equals to, okay, open double quotation, and here you have to write your file name. That should be in the jpg. Suppose I'll show in my folder. Here my folder, I'll show you. Okay, in the my folder, this one image is, that is heart. It has, you can be check here, its type, it's showing here, you can see it type jpg image. It should be jpg image. Okay, then if you want to be save in same place, so you have to be write just image source, that is heart dot jpg. This is our file name. Okay, then I'll be close here. Then again I want to be close body here. Okay, so first we'll see how to be insert image, then I'll tell about that settings. Again I'll close here html. Okay, so I will save here. This is for image, just image dot html, because we are converting, that's why you supposed to be write html. Okay, click save, selection folder. Okay, I saved, just I'll make it minimize. Okay, here you can see where is my, this is my file. Okay, just I'll be right click open. See, you can see I have used here insert image, so this is my image. Okay, if I remove image, one little comes only blank. Okay, suppose you can see, open this notepad. Okay, title spelling wrong. Okay, you can see if I don't use here, I'll be close. Okay, and put save. Again I'll go to my folder image. You can see there is no image. So like this code you have to be used as image. Again I'll write here image name in the between double quotation. Okay, heart.jpg. Okay, then I'll put save. Okay, then I'll go back to file and check here image. You can see this is image. Okay, now you can see this image is look very big, so I want to make settings about image should become small. So close here and go to notepad. So in image, after given space, write particular about this one height, 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 how much you want. Okay, I want 200 height. Okay, it should be writing double quotation. Okay, it should be in double quotation. I'll maximize here. So again, width, how much you want, one space you give. Okay, write width. Okay, and equals to, on the between quotation, I want 100. Okay, how much you want, you can take, give one space and use forward slash. I have closed. So here also one space should be required, and here also one should be required. Okay, then I'll put save. When I click save option, okay, when I go to back my folder, okay, this I'll open. So you can see this is the size of image. See, it's not looking good. You want to change the image, just you go 200 by 200. Okay, again click save. click save and minimize, and you can go and refresh on this image, refresh, so you can see. So this is how to be set image in HTML. Okay, you can be set image as background also for that one, or you can be put image settings also. And thing is that image path, this you can see image source image, src means source, img source. So that location should be entered. Suppose I saved in the same folder, that's why I kept on here only hard jpg. If I suppose I have saved here this image in another place like d drive, then you have to use d drive forward slash then address, or some folder is your folder name. So that location should be right properly, then only it will be execute. So it is very easy to be insert image in HTML. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please subscribe and share.